Previously, spectacular city lights mask the suffering of an underclass, downtrodden by a false government, oppressed by technocracy. Della and her drone squad fight to end this false freedom. The enemy persuaded loyal but naive Asuka to join them. She brought her genius into the Viper's Nest, where the deceitful, diabolical Nexus leader exploited her. The cruel opportunist weaponized her fears and her pain against her. His unwholesome henchmen devised a plan to sabotage justice, setting a trap for the rest of Della's drone squad. And now, we present Echoes of Sparrow Part 2. News comes in. It wasn't what was scripted.
What are you saying? That's impossible. But they can't.
This was a tricky situation. The Asukas had had slightly different experiences, which made things a little unpredictable. Meanwhile, Mariposa had gathered support.
Are you ready for this?
Forget about God. I'm in charge now. Me. Do what I want.
His assistant reminded him of the plan.
Oh, okay.
Not everyone was confident that it would work. Still, they each had something to prove.
Don't worry, I'll take care of things.
As promised, Gabriel would receive a transmission. His mind had been tampered with while they'd held him against his will. He was unwittingly plugged in to an extended network, which he himself could alter. Everyone waited to see the outcome. Would the programming take? Apparently some wires got crossed somewhere. It was time for Della and Gabriel, who seemed fine, to join in. Lila already had an escape plan.
Hey, you! Asuka! Grab the chain! Oh! I see! Quickly! Kill it!
The first thing Della and Gabriel encountered was his sister, Lila, on the ground. Gabriel acted immediately to help her. One by one,
Where did he go?
henchmen sneakily slipped away.
This thing, it's horrible.
The epic struggle was fierce, but the thing seemed to be distracted.
No! Let go of me! Let me, no!
As if receiving unseen commands. Ultimately, it stopped struggling. Soldier units, including trainees seeking answers, found an old error in the chain of commands which needed resolving. The guard let Mariposa and company enter.
I'm the secret leader of the rebellion. I've heard so much about you. Give yourselves a pat on the back.
I don't understand.
These buildings have a net. Don't worry. We've got this. We've all been deceived. Kessler is a stolen identity.
Gabriel!
Are you the leader? Are you Della? Just kidding. You've done well.
It's Gabriel.
That's what I said.
So, what happens now?
We rebuild. You're national heroes now. Keep in touch. We have a special emergency meeting to discuss the way forward.
I smacked that creep so hard, the precocious, brazen air data brokered his head.
I have to know. Were you telling
Come
the
on,
truth about
Gabriel.
always hating me? You don't understand. We don't hate you. It's just pride. Why should you have pity for me when
you're better at some things, for sure. Someone I once knew taught me the importance of order. Think of a bicycle. Imagine the spokes trying to be the frame. You're one of us, two of us.
Okay.
We all have our own qualities. Together, we make a team.
That's called purpose.
Just be yourself. That's who you are.
You don't know.